So before I get to episode 5 tutorial, I want to give you guys a quick update. There's a lot going on, on my side. I'll let you know what's up. So hear me out. One of the Azure Lane's ace Live2D designer will be joining us in this tutorial production. I've been trying to coordinate everything to get more Live2D pros to join this project, making tutorials for you guys, and there you go. Azure Lane's Live2D designer, and he will be teaching you stuff. So other than him, probably by this weekend, 2 Iron Vertex members will also be releasing their first episode of tutorials. First, there's Anma. She is the champion of Live2D Creative Award 2018. She's by default a pro artist, and she's the kind of artist that can come up with like 7 to 8 variants of a VTuber character designs in a day. Her tutorial will be covering topics on Live2D art materials. So she'll be teaching artists how to process an illustration so that the art itself is ready for Live2D to use. This tutorial course will be in English. Another member, Angelo, she has completed more VTuber jobs than I have by far. Her tutorial will be teaching on how to make light models, light Live2D models, and these are a specific architecture which Iron Vertex has come up with. Over time we've gained enough experience, and we designed a specific light architecture, which is something that you can pump up 20 of these models in a month and earn about $3,600 in total. $3,600 US dollars in total. And this is perfect for a game project that needs a lot of Live2D models. However, this course will be primarily launched in Chinese. The Azure Lane's designer, who will be joining us soon, his tutorials will also be in Chinese first, which don't worry, because we are working on a pipeline to also publish these tutorials with English subtitles. Not sure how it's gonna work out yet. I can say I really haven't drafted a solid plan, but it's going to happen. I will figure out a way to get these valuable tutorials in Chinese, in English subtitles, and also the English one, I hope to make them available for Chinese audience as well, and also Korean audience, and a few other Spanish, few other languages. I'll try to work there's a lot to do, and I'm still trying to gather all the resources I have. From the start, I really want these tutorials to be available for multiple regions, for many languages, as many as possible. Anyways, there are 3 more mysterious pros who I'm not going to disclose yet, because the planning isn't done, the coordination is still happening, and we're not finalizing things yet. I can't even pinpoint which month will we begin to put things in production for these guys. So that's why I'm not going to announce officially who they are yet. What I can leak, I can tell a little bit about some hints to you guys. You may have probably seen their work somewhere before. Mysterious guy number 1, and he has created various innovations with Live2D in Unity on its own. If you're coming up with a project idea, if you want to, if you somehow think hey, can I do this with Live2D, develop some app or a tool, something like that, or as a website or anything with some development work, with some coding and programming. Now you want to be following this tutorial because it is specifically for programmers and project leaders to develop their ideas. There's so many, we only seen, mostly recent year, we only seen visual novels and VTubers, but think about it, Live2D wasn't designed for just these 2 usages, right? So there are a lot more potentials that we haven't discovered yet, and this is one of the this mysterious guy number 1 is one of the guys who's been pioneering all these innovative ways of using Live2D. So that's one thing. Mysterious guy number 2 is someone who also is working in a popular mobile game that uses Live2D. That's all I'm gonna say for now. Mysterious guy number 3, he actually runs a studio that trains professional Live2D designers. So he takes in students. Students will come to his like physical studio and sit down, and he will teach them and take on jobs together and build their portfolios. Something that I'm trying to do in Iron Vertex, but I gotta do it remotely, and this guy is doing it in a real studio. So like I feel envious of this guy who can actually pull it off. I can't right now, but yeah, then that's why I'm here trying to share with you guys tutorials online on YouTube. And I asked also, I'm trying to get this guy because he got obviously solid skills in teaching people, so I want to get this guy on board too. And there are a few other more that's really in the distant future before I can like even bring up to them to say that, hey, so how about make tutorials. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I hope you guys by this weekend check out Iron Vertex official YouTube channel, because that channel will be the one that actually becomes a portal to all the publishers or content creators' own personal YouTube channels. So if you subscribe to that one channel, you're gonna see my tutorials, you're gonna see Enma's tutorials, Angela's tutorials, and everyone else's tutorial. As soon as they publish, you'll see them organized in playlists. And that's going to be a main library. It's going to be a portal for you guys to check out. So do subscribe to that channel, and I'll ping you guys again when the tutorials are out. Alright, and I'll be working on episode 5 for the rest of the month, and hopefully episode 6. I don't know, I'm even pushing it, but I'll give it a try anyways. So yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time.